Hello everyone, this is George Pertiatka. I am a sales manager for a company called Fast Automation, and I would like to present our company, our capabilities and previous projects. Let's commence. Our mission is to help you to do more for less and to do it for longer, better, safer and faster. I will cover various topics. Please stop me at any time, and I would like to have a constructive dialogue. People and culture. The company has around 36 people. Our core values are integrity, trust, drive, innovation, and teamwork. We proudly sponsor the Kids Cancer Project, and last year the company netted $100,000. We've successfully completed more than 1,600 projects across various industries, 24 plus years of automation experience. The company is privately owned and technology independent. It means that we're not aligned specifically with any vendor. We will work in the best interest of our customer. We are ISO 9001 and GAMP certified quality system. This particular standard is relevant for pharmaceutical and biotechnology industries. Proudly TÜV certified safety consultants, I'm one of them. 40 plus automation resources and extensive automation workshop in Melbourne and Sydney. What we do, our services. We specialize in project management and consulting, robotic and robotic automation, custom machinery design and manufacture, rapid 3D modeling and VR simulation. This field is quite interesting because it allows to simulate the process and the project design prior to commence, and thus avoiding any mistakes. We specialize also in process control system inspection, visual inspection systems, software development, control system design and manufacture, operational efficiency, performance transformation, electrical and mechanical installations, automation support and maintenance, and contract engineering. These are the core services. So project management and consulting, we have a full team of project engineers, and we managed, as we've seen before, 1,600 projects from the ideation to completion. We deal a lot with the conveyor systems for various industries, mainly for the food and bev and manufacturing. Robotics, various types, depends on the customer project requirements, depends on the application and the cost of delivery. Process control systems are mainly for food and bev and pharmaceutical industries. Building monitoring and control, autonomous mobile robots, intralogistics, which is a very large area at the moment, area of development. Machine safety and audits, as I mentioned, I'm specifically proud to be a certified machine safety consultant. Power monitoring and control, PLC and SCADA programming, custom machine design and building.
Also, you specialize in cupcakes.
That's quite interesting. You can see it's a fully customizable line, but we also deal with chocolate, which might be quite interesting for you. Again, we are quite health conscious, so we need to make sure we actually focus on the right applications.
Sure.
Quality inspection systems, mainly visual systems, baggage and material handling.
Oh, where did you travel overseas? And I see a lot of delays in the baggage area. How
Yeah,
you approach it?
that's quite interesting because the company actually delivered baggage and storage areas in Melbourne and Sydney airport. And to be honest with you, I also encountered the situation that it was a backlog, and the reason why is because customers actually changed the design 50 times after we delivered the project. So unfortunately, it's always a work in progress because the customers always want to achieve more by paying less. And that's the outcome. So thank you for your feedback. I really appreciate it. I will pass it on.
Absolutely.
Now, we, as I mentioned, complete more than 1,600 projects across different industries, but the interesting split is that packing and general manufacturing is around 23-25%. And this is the biggest growth area for us, but not to neglect other industries because pharmaceuticals are a highly specialized area, and conventional areas like mining, paper printing, building management, also a fairly large business for us. System integration workshop. We have a fully utilized workshop with design engineers, sparkies, and mechanical technicians. And any requirements, we can build panels, we can do mechanical fabrication, whatever requirements are. Predictive maintenance and machine monitoring is also a very interesting area because we work with the company called Machine Builder, and this particular company allows to deploy sensors and to collect data from various tools, various machines, and various applications that will allow to predict when the maintenance is required rather than to implement reactive maintenance down the track, which results in substantial safety. Support maintenance and troubleshooting. We have service level agreements across various sites, and this is a very interesting area because, as many companies say, we're also driven by the motto, we're as good as the last project we delivered. So maintenance and support services are extremely important. Now, some of the examples of the previous projects we've done in the past. This is a very challenging project because it's done in Australian Antarctic Station. Obviously, the temperature can reach up to down to minus 85 degrees, and the project was delivered in various stages. It's a telescope, and it's a control station for the telescope, but obviously everything had to be done remotely from the mainland, and then the delivery phase was done via local resources. So 9 months of darkness a year, and redundancy, a high resilience system. Everything needs to be extremely redundant because obviously you have no local resources to help to maintain the systems, and weather challenges create a lot of issues. So the project was delivered successfully and it's up and running. University security SCADA system. So this is for the large university. Unfortunately, I can't disclose the name, but it includes 720 cameras, SCADA screen management consoles, and a control system. And this is mainly for the system, for the safety system, but it also allows to extract the data and to utilize a smart historian, see what are the patterns, what are the trends, and what are the alarms, which is quite important from the safety perspective. Agent process control system for AstraZeneca. We started to work with AstraZeneca nearly 20 years ago, and we built already 6 lines, and still it's one of our key customers. And we've delivered a batching system, control system. Everything is based on GAMP and ISO 9001. This is a very interesting project. It was done for Sydney Trains, and the idea is that when the card actually arrives for the maintenance, to know the exact location of the card. So it was a fully designed CAT 4 safety system, highest possible level, 100%, and it actually allows to control an exact position of the card. So when the maintenance crew arrives, it won't be any issues, and the maintenance crew won't have to move the system manually. It was creating some difficult situation from a safety perspective. So the project was delivered successfully, and it's quite interesting because in a sense it is a transportation project, but it's mainly safety. Human injectable solutions preparation process. It's a control system for the large vessels, batch tanks, to manufacture a solution for human injection, and includes a fairly large amount of input-output points, SCADA stations, controls, and all the mechanical parts. Now, this is a very interesting project because we've done, as I mentioned previously, of Sydney and Melbourne Airport, explosive scanning and tracking in baggage handling area. And this is one of the reasons for the bottleneck. Can you see it? It's quite interesting. Yeah. So it's quite complex. It is complex, and 6 kilometers of conveyors, 17 X-ray machines, 22 automatic tag readers, and it's a very dynamic system because the airport operates nearly 24/7. And large system, fairly complex. It works. Needs some improvements.
You answered my question.
Yes, thank you. I'm happy. And we work with the companies like BHP and the companies like Aliquid, gas filling systems, cylinders. I'm specifically involved in a project with the company called Algas. higher level of safety, higher level of compliance, higher level of design, and the idea is just to make sure that the processes are safe and efficient. Because right now, some of the companies like Elgas utilize 15 people on the manufacturing line, but can actually redeploy people across other sites for more productive tasks, and as a result, the line will have only 5 operators when it will be fully automated. And this is an interesting one because this is a pill sorting and blister packing machine automation system. So it's a very trivial task, like to put when you have a tray with different medicines for elderly, for frail people. On a daily basis, you can see breakfast, dinner, lunch, different times of the years. Now, when you have 20 or 30 different pills, it becomes quite complex. So the system is actually a robotic system that allows to sort the pills based on specific requirements, and yeah, prevents any type of human errors. Check-in system in the airport. Again, we've got your feedback. Thank you for your feedback. And award-winning early bag storage system, mainly for the large what is called ASRS, which is automatic storage and retrieval shuttles. It's a fairly complex system that actually allows to sort the baggage based on priority, based on departure, based on whatever the requirements are. And you can see there is a long list of different projects, and I'm not going to go through all of them, but as you can see, we're certified ISO 9001 certified. We use V model for the presentation, full of customer testimonials. I will skip the company preso because I think we cover all the topics, and thank you so much for your time. Any questions or feedback?
Oh, well, very impressive track record. I'm looking forward to explore Cloud and work with you.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you.
My pleasure. Do you work in what industry?
Yes, we've done a few. Actually, it's a very interesting question. We've done a few pumping stations and wastewater treatment plants, and it's interesting because some of the customers call us for the stuff of the project. So it was almost like an emergency call. Help us to resolve it. And guess what? We've made it. So one of the companies was Downer, and we started from one plant and ended up with 5 plants. So this is the biggest testimony about our capabilities, how we work, and what we deliver. And by all means, let's discuss it, let's take it offline. Water is one of the key areas, and we definitely would like to talk to you. Thank you so much.
That's exactly what we need.
Thank you.